everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your NSW on Reddit. Keep watching the video till the end. To enable your NSW on Reddit, firstly open your Reddit application. The home page of Reddit application will appear on the screen. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Among the pop-up option, click on Settings option. Scroll down and slide the slider of Show NSW content to the right side to turn it on. Slide the slider and enable the NSW on Reddit in no time. This is how you can enable your NSW on Reddit application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.